Hello friends, welcome to Let's Learn Something New. Let's learn how to create your own thumbnail for a YouTube thumbnail. Thumbnail for YouTube. Please subscribe our channel. Friends, first we go to the Google and type online thumbnail maker. It is easy to do this Photojet, and we can easily we click on get started, and it's easy to get start, and it takes not too much time. It is creating our own page for just like we want a blank background, so I will tell you how to create it and edit it in your old videos or in our new videos. Okay friends, while publishing the videos, we have an option to create the thumbnail or to change the thumbnail. Friends, first we create the thumbnail, and we can add it too easily with the help of the options given. Okay friends, now we click on the background. No, friends, our background is white. Yeah, we can add the text to it. Text in which it is just appearing you, and the speed over time it's too much. Net speed is not given as thing. No, where as we go to the bold 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 lines, we click on to edit. Let's edit. We edit. How to internet, like we create the page and appear it to be much bigger, and we add a background to it, like a refreshing color, and we add a music song symbol, like downloading it from net. Now click at the song symbol. Disappear. We go to the images. We click on this. It does look like more attracting. First to clear it. We save it as an image, and in a video, and save it. Now we add the picture to it, like we click on photo, add photo to it. These are the here we can add as we want, but I will guide you a simple steps so I do not affected by the animation, fonts, etc. Our simple thumbnail is being completed. Oh, but the page is like empty, so we increase the height. Now it is just completed. And we now add save this thumbnail. and save it. Now the procedure to make the thumbnail is completed, and we now put the thumbnail on the YouTube videos as I shown.
ड्राइंग रूम का दरवाजा बंद कर दियो। चल ठीक है, रहने दे फिर।
Save for free now.
हम बाहर आ जाओ, आप तो स्टूडियो से जाते हैं। क्यों?
Our design is ready, and we click on download here.
भाई गौतम से पूछने खेलने के लिए।
नहीं,
मैं बोर हो रहा हूँ। व्हाट्सएप पर मैसेज चलता है
कुछ ना भेजो। And it is downloaded. After it appears like this, and we cross it. Now we go to the YouTube and edit the thumbnail with a new one.
ना आपसे ये स्टेटस है बड़ा अच्छा है। जो आपने स्टेटस डाला 14 जनों ने देख लिया। 14 मेरे को थोड़ा फोन दिखा दे जरा मेरे को।
घी डाल लिया।
हाँ यार वैसे नहीं कर यार। चार्जर के साथ दे दे। चार्जर पे दूँ चार्जर नहीं लगेगा, ऐसे दे। कैच कर लो, ले लो कैच। चार्जर पे लग ही जाएगा। हटाइए क्या दोनों। DIV प्ले बटन। थैंक यू फॉर ऑल 400 सब्सक्राइब।
10 हो रहे हैं। हमारे को बटन मिलेगा यूट्यूब पे से।
बटन मिलेगा, उससे क्या होगा?
फोटो फ्रेम
बटन यूट्यूब की। अच्छा हटियो।
एक वोट है ना,
ये ऐसे मिलेगा।
100 सब्सक्राइबर होने के बाद।
टीटू की स्वीटी की पिक्चर का टाइम दे, रात का कितना देगा?
मेरे को पिक्चर देखनी है। ओह मजा आ जाएगा।
नीचे लग जाएगा। 2 मिनट के लिए बंद हो जाएगा।
भाई यार
नहीं जाता है। 2 मिनट ना जाएगा। मैंने मिल जाएगा। पहले पेंसिल दे दो। ये पड़ी जो है 2 मिनट का नहीं।
वैभव
कोई बात नहीं यार। तो बाबर मंदिर की लाइट क्यों बंद कर रहा है? ये लगा दो ना। चार बिना बंद कर लगा दो। करंट तो नहीं लगेगा ना।
भाई मेरा बार बार डिस्कनेक्ट हो रहा। फ्रेंड्स
डिस्कनेक्ट है। सही है।
we go to our video manager and after loading it,
friends please subscribe my channel and like it and share it.
as we go to it,
Much as
As we go to downwards on it, we edit, click on edit and paste our thumbnail here. I'll just link to it. Customize the thumbnail. Customize thumbnail. We click on it and add a photo there. And click on the download folder. And PhotoJet. Come on. Open it here. In the current file. We cancel, click on cancel and click here now. And uploading. And we save the changes. After it, we appear like this. Save changes. And we again go to the videos. The video manager and it appeared like videos. And it appear like this. You can see, friends. Okay, bye. Please subscribe and like our page.